Hey there, all my YouTube viewers. I'm out here going to make you another video here. Going to be a longer one, maybe 2 or 3 parts, I'm not sure. But anyway, today is Thursday, the 25th day of June 2020. It's about 9:50 or so in the morning. What I'm going to do is make this video 100% with this Anafi here. It may take me a few days to get it made in total, I don't know, but I'll get as much done today as I can. And anyway, I just want to show you Silver Cliff, Colorado, and it's going to be 100% on this Anafi. That's what you're looking at me on right now. So there's a lot of traffic. Hopefully my voice is coming through good on this recorder. But let's start this thing and see what we can do. Okay, so here we are at the Silver Cliff Town Hall. Just want to show a little bit of this to you. So let's just raise this up. Take a look. There we go, and you can see the mountain view. Bring this down a little bit. How's that look? Hopefully you like that look. Bring it up just a little bit for the mountains and the flag. Isn't that nice? So I just want to show you that. Alright, and then I'll show you Tony's Pizza here. Alright, so over here is Tony's Pizza. Show you a little bit of it. There we go. That's what that looks like. Take you around a little bit just to show you. And that right there is Tony's Pizza. Alright, so we're here at the museum. So let me pull back a little bit. Just go up here and take a look at it. Not a bad looking building, right? Not a bad looking building at all. Here, we'll just look down a little bit at it. There we go. Pretty nice. Alright, hope you like that. Alright, this here is the dog park in Silver Cliff. And just thought I'd fly you through here, kind of by the gate. And then we'll just fly around here and just take a look at all of what's here. You see there's a little shelter there. Fly just over that. And you can see there's some tires. Take a look down here and just look around. You see there's various things here for dogs to play on. And it's heading right back over here to me. Alright, let me show you just one more thing. I think it's kind of neat here. Flying here, there. Now you see that little water feature right there? I think that's pretty cool. Dogs can of course come and get them a drink there. I think that's pretty neat. Hopefully you like that. See, there's a ball out there. There's the cover place again. Now you see these rocks right here? So those are pretty neat in the water again. All right, then I'll just fly you out here. Show you a little bit of this stuff out in here. It's a path where you can obviously walk your dog. All right, we'll just bring her back over through here. And that's the dog park in Silvercliff, Dundee Memorial. Hopefully you've enjoyed this one. I'll show you something else here. Okay, to close out this video, I just thought I would show you a little bit of the walking trail from the air. And let you see some of the surroundings. Just get her up a little bit higher just so you can get a further look away. But that's the trail there on the left. That's actually a street on the right. So just hope you enjoyed this little mountain view and this walking trail and bike riding trail. Alright, so we'll go ahead and close this out.